Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. Now, this is our English lecture. Already in previous lecture, we have finished lesson number 5. That is, let's learn alphabet. Now, in this lecture, we have started new lesson. That is, make words. Okay, make words. Now, we are learning how to make words. Now look here. Question number 1. Look and learn. Look and learn. We have to look and we have to learn that words. Okay. See here. These are 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 columns. Okay. In first column, which alphabets are there? B, C, F, M, P and V. In second column there is A, and in third column there is N. So from this how we can make words? Okay, we want to take alphabet from here, and these are okay. This alphabet we want to take, and then these 2 letters we want to write. Okay, so which word is made? B-A-N, ban. Okay, again take C and A and N write at the last. Okay, then which word make here? C-A-N, can. Then F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. And V-A-N, van. Understood? We want to take letters from here, and these 2 letters we want to already, each time we want to take these 2 letters. Okay, but we want to change this only. First B-A-N, ban, then C-A-N, can, this way. Okay, now learn these spellings. Now next you see here, again 3 columns are here. D, H, M, P, T in first column, in second column E, and in third column N. So previously how we are making, that way you want to make. See, D-E-N, den. Then which letter, which word is you can see here? H-E-N, hen. Then M-E-N, men. P-E-N, pen. And then T-E-N, ten. Understood? Now see next here. Here P, T, B, F, W. Okay, here A, N. So that way we want to make words. So P-E-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. And W-I-N, win. Okay, now see next, that way only. Okay, B-O-W, go. Okay, this last column, 2 columns later we want to write at last, and this letter we want to start that word. Okay, C-O-W, cow. H-O-W, how. N-O-W, now. See, and W-O-W, wow. These are your words. Now see next, that way only. Okay, F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. And B-U-N, bun. Okay, these are your words. Now see next. Question number 2. Look, listen and circle the odd man out. Look, listen and circle the odd man out. We want to listen and we want to circle odd man out. Okay. First we will read that words. Okay. First, B-A-T, bat. B-E-D, bed. B-O-A-T, boat. H-U-T, hut. Okay, now tell me who is odd man out here. Okay, if you are not understand, I will tell you how to. See here. In each word is starting with letter B here. Okay. Only one word is here which is starting with H. So who is odd man out here? H. That is H-U-T, hut. Okay. So we want to circle like this. Now next see. S-U-N, sun. L-O-C-K, lock. S-A-C-K, sack. S-O-A-P, so. Now who is odd man out here? L-O-C-K, because all words are starting with letter S. Only this word is starting with L. So this is odd man out. Next, C-O-C-K, cock. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. C-L-A-P, clap. Now who is odd man out here? Yeah, D-O-G, dog, because all words are starting with C here. C. Next, L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. L-E-A-F, leaf. R-O-S-E, rose. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Who is odd man out here? See, all are starting with L. Only this word is starting with R. So we will circle like this. These two circles are overlapping. So we can make a small circle. Next, K-E-Y, key. P-O-T, pot. P-E-N, pen. P-U-R-S-E, purse. Now tell me who is odd man out here? Yes. First see, all letters starting with P. Only one word is starting with K. So this is odd man. So we will circle that. Then top, toy, axe and tree. Now see this word starting with T. Okay, only this word is starting with A. So this is odd man out. Understood? What you want to do then? Copy the words in word file. Okay. What you want to do? You want to write this word. Okay. These all words. Okay. You want to write in your notebook. Question number 2 in notebook. Okay. Now we will solve some more examples. See here, this is your English workbook. Okay. We are solving some examples. See. Take letters from each column to make words. Write them in the given space. Okay. You want to write that words in the given space. Already we have learned that. Okay. How to make that then? See. B-A-N, ban. Then C-A-N, can. Then F-A-N, fan. Then M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. V-A-N, van. Okay, this one. Next see. D-E-N, then H-E-N, hen. Then M-E-N, men. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. Okay. Already with this example we are solving books. Okay. Then this is P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. Then B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. Then W-I-N, next B-O-W, bow. C-O-W, cow. H-O-W, how. N-O-W, now. And W-O-W, wow. Okay. Now next, copy all the words in question 1 in the space below. In given space, you want to copy these words. Okay. Copy that words here. Okay. These words. Okay. I will show you first word. See. B-A-N, ban. Then C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. Okay, this way you want to write whole. Okay. Now, next see. Question number 3. Look, listen and circle the odd man out. Okay. See here. First word is bat, bed, boat and hut. All words are starting with B, only this word is starting with H. So we will circle these words. Next, sun, lock, sack and soap. All words are starting with S, only this word is starting with letter L. So we will circle this word L-O-C-K, lock. Next see. C-O-C-K, cock. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. C-L-A-P, clap. Okay. Who is odd man out here? Dog, because all words are starting with letter C. Now next, ladder, leaf, nose, lemon. Who is odd man out here? Rose, because all are starting with L, only this word is starting with R. Then let's see. Key, pot, pen, purse. Okay. All these are starting with P, only this is starting with K. So this is odd man out. Okay. Then top, toy, axe, tree. Okay. This is odd man out because all are starting with T, but only this word is starting with A. Okay. Next see. Question number 4. Read and write. You want to read these words and you want to write. Okay, this way. B-A-T, bat. B-E-D, bed. Okay. This way you want to copy all the words. Okay. Now we will finish our English lecture here. Thank you and have a nice day.